Conditions prescribed under Section 37 of the NDPS Act can be relaxed considering custody period and absence of criminal antecedents. Bail. Recovery of 4 kilograms, 920 grams of opium latex. Bail declined primarily on the ground that the contraband recovered from his conscious possession is of commercial quantity and rigors of Section 37 of the NDPS are attracted. There are 12 witnesses and only examination in chief of one witness has been completed. High Court, while declining bail, directed for conclusion of trial within 1 year. Regardless thereto, the trial has not been expedited as no effective hearing took place for the last 2 and 3 dates. Conclusion of trial is likely to take some reasonable time. Taking into consideration the period spent, 1 year and 6 months, by the petitioner in custody and the fact that the petitioner does not have any criminal antecedents, conditions prescribed under Section 37 of the NDPS Act can be relaxed at this stage. Bail granted. Bail. 21 kilograms of ganja recovered from joint possession of petitioner and 3 others. Challan presented and charges framed. Petitioner has been in custody for 8 months. In the said circumstances and taking note of the custody, bail granted. Bail. Commercial quantity. No recovery directly from petitioner. In previous case, there is no recovery of contraband material from the petitioner and recovery is of the money which was received towards sale amount of the contraband material. In the present case also, the recovery of the contraband material is from the brother of the petitioner. Allegation is that the vehicle which was used for the crime belonged to the present petitioner and that the said vehicle was used with the knowledge that the same is used for transfer of contraband material. Taking into consideration the fact that neither in the present case nor in the earlier case there is recovery directly from the petitioner, bail granted. Bail. Recovery of 60 kilograms of poppy husk straw. 3 criminal cases against petitioner relating to the NDPS Act registered in the year 2019, 2021 and 2022. Considering the fact that the contraband article is a poppy straw, although he has 3 criminal antecedents, but since he has been in jail for the last 1 year and 8 months, a case of bail is made out for the petitioner. Bail granted. Bail. Huge quantity of codeine cough syrup was recovered from the premises, godown, which has been tenanted by the appellant. In another case, appellant has been granted bail. Appellant is in custody for approximately 1 year 4 months. Bail granted. Bail. Petitioner was the owner of a truck which was alleged to be used for the transport of 9,075 bottles of Fenstil. Petitioner is in custody for 11 months. Charges have been framed. The prosecution proposes to examine 23 witnesses. Early conclusion of the trial does not seem possible. Bail granted. Bail. 10,000 milliliters. Liquid of codeine phosphate, a cough syrup recovered from conscious possession of petitioner. Investigation is complete and the charge sheet has been filed, however, the charges are yet to be framed. Prosecution proposes to examine 10 witnesses. Conclusion of trial will, thus, take considerable time. Taking into consideration the period already undergone by the petitioner in custody, 1.5 years, and fact that he does not have any criminal antecedents, bail granted. Bail. Recovery of 275 grams and 50.01 grams of heroin. Considering the quantity of the contraband articles and the period of his incarceration, 1 year 6 months, bail granted. Bail. Recovery of 415 bottles of Fenstil syrup containing codeine phosphate which is above commercial quantity. Submitted that appellant was not in conscious possession of the offending material. Appellant is in jail for approximately 1 year and 2 months. Charge sheet has been filed and there are 7 witnesses but the trial has not yet commenced. Bail granted. Bail. 210 bottles of Fenstil, codeine phosphate, recovered from the petitioners. Petitioners are in custody since last more than 1 year. Charges have been framed and there are 13 prosecution witnesses. Trial shall take considerable time to conclude. Bail granted.